how to set up a ticket bot in Discord. So to set up a ticket bot in Discord, I will show you the steps and make sure you follow till the end, because if you miss any steps, you're going to lose out. So first of all, we have to invite the bot. We have to go to Google and search for ticket bot. Make sure you choose this one and click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to invite tickets to your server. Now click on it. Now once you click on it, it will show all the servers in your Discord. If you didn't log in into your Discord, then it will ask you to log in, then it will show you all the servers. And if you don't have any server, just create a server, really easy. Go to click on plus server and create my own, and for me and my friends, named it, and you will able to create it, right? It's so easy. Now once you create it, you have to select the servers, click on continue, give all this permission, click on authorize. After that, as you can see here, it will show you all these steps here. Very first thing is that we have already invited the bot. Make yourself admin of the bot. How to confirm whether you have invited the bot or not. So let me show you. This is here, and as you can see here, ticket, same server, right, which we just worked on. And after that, make yourself admin of the bot here. So to do this, you have to just go here slash add admin, click on it, and here your name, right? So I will just write my name here, that is this one, okay, and press the enter. Now it will sending the command, automatically it will be added. And please confirm that you want to add as a bot administrator, click on confirm. Now we have added it. Now we, after that, we have to access the online dashboard. So just go and click on it here. Now here you can choose your server, right? And here it will show you all the settings and everything. You can change it up, click on submit, you can add your staff members, your tickets, integrations, and each and everything. You will able to see each and everything, right? Now let's get back here. Now the last thing we have to do, we have to go one step more back again, and here this is a make a reaction panel, right? So it will show you how to do this, as well as it's really easy. In the dashboard, set up a reaction panel. This allow user to open tickets by reacting to message with a specific emoji, right? And this is really easy thing to do. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.